Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss future videos, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all notifications. Imagine listening to the sound of the universe, a wave propagating through space-time like a cosmic heartbeat. On February 6, 2025, the highly sensitive detectors of the LIGO and Virgo observatories entered alert mode. The data they received revealed a fascinating and still mysterious phenomenon, a ripple in space-time, a potential gravitational wave identified by the scientific code S25206DM. The detected signal is the silent messenger of a cataclysmic event that occurred in the deepest reaches of the cosmos. But what could have generated such a disturbance in space-time? This is the fundamental question scientists are trying to answer. To do so, we first need to understand what gravitational waves are, what they can tell us about the universe, and why their detection represents one of the most revolutionary achievements of modern physics. Gravitational waves are ripples in space-time caused by extremely energetic events, such as the merger of black holes or neutron stars. They were first predicted in 1916 by Albert Einstein as a consequence of his general theory of relativity. But the story of gravitational waves goes even further back in time. In 1890, British mathematician and physicist Oliver Heaviside was the first to hypothesize that gravity might also propagate in the form of waves, just like electromagnetic fields. His intuition was based on the similarity between gravitational and electric forces. Both depend on the distance between two entities, masses in the first case, charges in the second, and obey similar mathematical laws. A few years later, French physicist Henri Poincaré concluded that no information, not even gravitational, can travel faster than light. According to him, even changes in a gravitational field propagate at a finite speed and can thus generate gravitational waves, much like charged particles emit electromagnetic waves when accelerated. Einstein further revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos by proposing that gravity is not a force, but a geometric manifestation, the curvature of space-time caused by the presence of mass and energy. In this context, a massive object deforms the fabric of space-time, and any other mass nearby feels this curvature. Although Einstein predicted the existence of gravitational waves, he remained rather skeptical about their actual observability. The variations they induce are so tiny as to be nearly imperceptible. However, throughout the 20th century, several scientists mathematically demonstrated that, within the framework of general relativity, these waves not only exist, but can be generated by accelerating masses. In the 1950s, the first attempts at experimental detection began. Initially, gigantic metal cylinders were used, based on the idea that they might vibrate under the effect of a passing gravitational wave. However, these instruments proved insufficiently sensitive. A crucial step forward was made in the 1970s by physicists Russell Hulse and Joseph Taylor, who observed a pair of neutron stars in mutual orbit. They noted that the system was gradually losing energy in a manner consistent with the theory of gravitational waves. This discovery earned them the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1993. Still, it was indirect evidence. September 14, 2015 marked a historic turning point. For the first time, LIGO detectors in the United States captured an unequivocal signal from the merger of two black holes with masses of 29 and 36 solar masses respectively, located 1.3 billion light-years from Earth. During their death spiral, these objects merged into a single, more massive black hole, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the form of gravitational waves. These waves traveled for billions of years across the universe before reaching Earth, where LIGO's two perpendicular arms, each 4 kilometers long, detected tiny variations in the distances traveled by the laser beams inside them. An alternating compression and expansion of space-time, like a cosmic heartbeat, generated a unique and unmistakable signal. The principle behind LIGO, Virgo, and other modern detectors is based on laser interferometry. Two laser beams travel down perpendicular tunnels and are reflected by mirrors at the ends. If there is no disturbance, the light waves cancel each other out. But if a gravitational wave passes by, it stretches one arm and shortens the other, changing the distance traveled by the beams and creating a measurable interference. Today, in addition to LIGO, USA, and Virgo, Italy, Kagra in Japan is also operational, and in the future, LISA, Laser Interferometer Space Antenna, will be added. A space mission consisting of 3 satellites positioned millions of kilometers apart, forming a gigantic triangle in the cosmic void. This ambitious project, expected to launch around 2035, promises to vastly expand detection capabilities, opening a new and silent window onto the universe. And now we arrive at today. Event S25206DM could represent something entirely new. Researchers aren't just recording gravitational waves, they're also looking for their electromagnetic counterpart, a flash of light accompanying the signal. This is crucial because while gravitational waves tell us that something happened, light tells us what happened. Unfortunately, in the case of S25206DM, the light has not yet been observed. Scientists are considering several hypotheses: a merger between 2 black holes, a black hole swallowing a neutron star, or perhaps an even more exotic phenomenon. To find out, they use highly advanced algorithms that compare the shape of the recorded wave with theoretical models. It's like trying to recognize a musical instrument by its sound. Every type of cosmic collision has a unique acoustic signature. Since 2015, dozens of similar events have been recorded, each one enriching our understanding of the universe. Particularly significant was the 2017 event, when gravitational waves and electromagnetic radiation from the merger of 2 neutron stars were observed for the first time. It was a historic event that allowed scientists to study the phenomenon from every angle, even revealing the origin of heavy elements like gold and platinum. S25206DM could prove to be just as important. The hunt for its secret has just begun, but one thing is certain. We have entered a new era of astronomy. The era of multi-messenger observation, in which the cosmos speaks to us not only with light but also with invisible waves that make the very skeleton of the universe tremble. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.